Hello friends, welcome to QA Automation World. So today we are going to see how we can manage the cookies or how we can perform the different operation on cookies in Selenium. So let's see the details. So cookies, temporary files. So cookies are generally a temporary files. Those will be stored into your file system in temp folder. So we will see those temp folder as well and how this will be managed by the browser. Then what are the different types of cookies? It's session cookies and persistent cookies. So once you close your browser, that session will be closed, and ultimately the cookies will be deleted. Such a type of cookies will be called as session cookies. Persistent cookies, okay, so even if you close the browser, your data which is present inside the cookies will be saved on your file system. It may expire after a certain duration, but the file and the data will be stored on your system. That's why those cookies will be called as persistent cookies. What are the different parameters or attributes associated with cookies? So it's a name, domain, path, expiry date, secure connection, sometimes session ID. So these are the basic things about cookies. So now let's talk about the temporary file. So I will just show you um, what generally happens. You can see this is my temporary folder. So here your cookies will be present in this particular folder, and if you wipe out this particular folder, then every time whenever you create a new, or if you create a new request on the browser, the cookies will be downloaded to this particular folder. So let's try to understand how browser manages the cookies. So currently I'm referring to the Firefox browser. So let's go to the manage. Okay, then go to the privacy, and let's go to the cookies. So you can see if I put Facebook, okay, so you can see. So here I just open the Facebook. Okay, so you can see these are the cookies specific to facebook.com. So DATR, then local, SB. So these are the cookies which is provided by Facebook, and currently these are stored on my machine. So this is where you can directly refer those cookies. At the same time, you can see for this particular cookie DATR, the name is DATR, the content, then domain, path, sent for. So these are the attributes associated with this particular cookie. So this is how your cookies will be managed by the browser. Now again, how you can see a particular web URL is giving you the cookies. Let's open the uh, Firepath, Firebug, and you can see here there is a cookies tab. So if you collapse this, okay, so here you can see the list of the cookies that it has been provided by Facebook. So it's a name, value, then domain. So I just open that this particular thing. So domain, size, path, expiry, uh, HTTP only, secure connection. So these are the parameters provided by each and every cookie. So there can be a requirement to test these values in your Selenium automation. So how we can go ahead and test this particular cookies and its attributes value. So let's try to write the code for the same. Okay, so I will just open the my Eclipse. Okay, so uh, my my basic program is ready over here, so which is just launching the Facebook on Firefox browser. So once I launch this particular application, then my next step will be to manage the cookies or get the cookies. So here driver.manage.get get cookies. So you can see you can get your all the cookies with this method get cookies option. So I'm just going to use this method, having return type as set cookie. Oh, I will just, sorry, I will just provide the variable name all cookies. So let me import set first, then let me import Selenium. So by this way I can get the all the cookies. So now let's try to see sys out what is the count of your cookies. So count of cookies is equal to all cookies dot size. So now here we will get the cookie count. So we are just sorry, I just missed this thing. Okay, so we will get the count of all the cookies. So let's see uh, what will be the result if we run this particular program. Okay, I just ran the same script. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, you can see, so the count of cookies is 6. So there are overall 6 cookies. So we want to get the more information about each and every cookies. Each cookie will have, as I shown you, each cookie will have all these attributes and its value. So we can get that particular detail of each and every cookies. How we can do that? So let's do one thing. I will just put a for each cookie. Okay, so I got this particular for loop to work on each and every cookie. So what are the different methods available on each and every cookie? So you can see with this for loop I am getting the first cookie. With the first cookie dot, I'm saying like, okay, you can see get domain, expiry, name, path, value. So I can go ahead and use this thing. So what I will do, I will put this in print statement. Okay, so here I will say name plus get name. Fine. Then I will do the same thing for get domain. Okay, here it will be a domain. Okay, sorry. Then I will do it for path. Here it will be a path. Then I will go for value. Here it will be a value. So you can get all the uh, like attribute or parameter value of each cookies with this particular method. And if you want, you can compare this particular statement with actual and expected result, and you can put the assert statement as well. Currently I am just printing it. So sys out, just I will just put some mark so that you can see the difference once we print all the cookies. So we are just printing the cookies now. Let's do the, now let's print all the cookies and its attribute. So let's see what happens. Okay, so our script is passed, so you can see in the result. Okay, so there are total 6 cookies, out of which it's name, domain and value for your first cookie. The same is applicable for second cookie. So there are 6 cookies. So we got all the information, and your script has been passed. So you can put your assert statement as per your requirement to validate either the total number of cookies or the attribute values of each and every cookie. So by this way, at least you can do the basic operation. Consider you want to delete your cookies as well. So what are the different like options that we have? Driver dot manage dot. So you can see delete cookie, delete cookie. So you can provide the argument delete cookie name. So you can try these different operations because you already got the name or value of that particular cookie. So you can provide all this information in the cookies. So I just use this particular delete all cookies. So once I delete all the cookies, I need to check now how many cookies are there. So of course I need to go ahead again, driver dot manage dot get cook sorry get get cookies. Okay, so this way I will get another set of cookies after deletion. So I will put set, then cookie sorry after deletion. So this will be the cookies after deletion. So I will just print the sysout saying count after delete. So here after delete dot size. So by this way, now here what's wrong? Okay, so I need to put the plus sign. Okay, so here we got the cookies over here. Then what we did, we got the count of that cookies. Then from each and every cookie we got the attribute and its value. Then we deleted all the cookies. Then we again tried to get all the cookies, and now we are going to see what happens with the count after deletion of your all the cookies. Okay, I'm just running this. So script is running on the background. Okay, so you can see now the difference. Okay, so our count is 6. Fine, these are the 6 cookies till this point. Then we deleted the cookies, and after deletion you can see the count is 0. So this is how we can perform different operation on cookies as per your requirement, as per your application. There can be a different set of cookies, so you need to put your validation accordingly. This is all about the how we can handle the cookies with the help of Selenium. So thank you guys, bye.